Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Bryce Savage, the man behind Netflix here, creator of Netflix. This song is called Anything for Her. Alright, so we have this melody going on here. You will hear that in the intro of the song and probably also during this song in the background or so. We'll learn that, but also the main strumming here with the 3 chords. Alright, to have a good setup for this one, you need a capo, put it on the 6th fret there, and that is the best scenario for this song. It sounds a little darker in the song, so this is a 1 notch up here when it comes to the notes, but the melody's there, and yeah, we translate that into a guitar, and this is the best scenario here. So let's take capo on 6. And the 3 chords we need here will be the F major 7, the A minor, and G. So the F major 7 first is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord, A minor, is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have G finally, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so we'll take a look at this melody chord by chord. The F major goes. Okay, so I suggest you hold the chord as it is. And then you're gonna play 3rd on D, open E, 3rd D, 1st B, 3rd D, open E, 3rd D, 1st B, 3rd D, and open E. Okay, so you pretty much have the bass with you, and alternate that one with the notes open E and 1st B, where you also alternate these 2 notes. So you start with open E, so first 3rd D, of course, the bass, and then open E. So it's very much an alternative way of playing here, playing there, and you have this certain rhythm here, so that is very important to get. It sounds like this. Again. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, so. Okay, then you're gonna shift to the A minor, and yeah, you can just keep the 1st fret on B string there from the F major. You don't have to hold anything else for this A minor part. It goes like this. So that is open A, open E, open A, and 1st B. That's it. So it goes. The rhythm here is the same as the F major start, so the first 4 notes there, the same rhythm you apply on the A minor. So, and then you have the G next there. I forgot to mention, you just play A minor once there, so, and then you move on to G, and then you need to hold this grip here, 3rd on E and 3rd on B, and be prepared to get the 1st B right after there. So don't hold like this, index and mid, because then you need to recuperate your fingers. So I suggest you hold the ring finger or the middle finger on the 3rd fret E string, and then you go down with the ring finger or a little pinky on the 3rd B string. Okay, so you have the index behind there to get the 1st B string there. So you're gonna play this part, same rhythm as the A minor, and the notes will be 3rd on E, 3rd B, 3rd E, and then 1st B. You play that only 1 round. So F major 2, A minor 1, and G 1. Slowly like this. standard tempo. And so on. All right, so that's the melody. Now the final part, the strumming here. We're gonna take a look at this one, and we have one strumming pattern. We can show that with the F major 7, since that is the first chord, and it goes like this for one round. So that will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So first down, up, then comes the clap, up, down, up. That is one round. And you just follow the same pattern as melody there. 2 string rounds for F major, 1 for A minor, and 1 for G, like this. Alright guys, that pretty much covers Bryce Savage, Anything for Her. So thank you for watching here guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me some feedback on this and support me here on Gordon Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.